once more. My name is Solga, and today we want to present you a project which is called Beautiful Mind. Generally, we first team, which consists of students. We are students of Kazakh British Technical University, and today we want to present you not just an application, but a solution to a really big problem. Which problem? The problem that children lose interest to education. I guess everybody here has little brothers, sisters, children. So what we see, numbers are telling us that in the beginning, when child first go to school for the first time, they are really interested in, for example, in mathematics, in logical exercises. They want to go to school, so about 24% of all children, they really want to go to school. They anticipate the fact that they will study something new, they will study their education. But sometime later, there is only 17% of all children who want to continue to go to school. So what we are trying to do? We adults, we want more children, more genius, better generation. We're trying to change the standard, to meet the standards, to change the system, to change the syllabus. But we are not thinking about a child. But you know, the child, it is not just an object, it is an actor. We can better call a child a verb than a noun. So that another fact is that children, they are really attached to new technologies. They are attached to mobile applications, so they are understanding faster new information with using of mobile apps. Also, those children who use mobile application for educational purposes, they show better literacy than the other people. Also, mobile application, of course, they're really attractive, interesting, because it is in the form of game. So what we want to propose you, it is a Beautiful Mind application. It isn't just an application, how I told you. You know that there is also a problem that children, they're addicted to mobile apps. They're, I don't know, it's like hysteria about something like this. So with our application, we want to pay attention also on the real thing, on the real life. Like, for example, robots, electronics, and this kind of stuff, which is really interesting also. So all you need is our smart car, which is a hardware device, mobile application, printed board, and cube toys. Everything you can see in here. And further, we will show you a demo version. So what is inside? Inside we have 4 main sections. The section for addition, subtraction, multiplication, and also exercises which will help you to develop spelling skills. You simply, for example, drag and drop in your application. You are given an exercise, and you simply drag and drop the answer. You cannot see the answer on the application. You have to push the check button, and our robot will show you the right answer. And if you do that right, it, for example, will clap your hands. And you can say that, what if I don't want hardware? What if it is too big, it is not convenient? We propose you an Leap Motion edition also, which we will show you further. And it will look something like this. And a business part. The smart car edition will cost about 10,000 tenge. It's about $56 for a hardware and a mobile application which you can download to your Android device. And also the Leap Motion edition, the application for Leap Motion will cost about $1. And our customers are 2 types, but we are mostly aimed to B2C customers, generally to parents and children. And B2B, these establishments like school, kindergartens, educational centers, libraries, and etc. Now we are testing our device in a library which is called by writer Bigali. Also, we are testing our application in a school number 15. It is a humanitarian school. So we took a class of 15 children, the 2nd grade, and we are looking how they just, I don't know, react on our application. Do they like it or not? Okay, and talking about revenues. So if if we're supposed to sell in B2B domain about 50 products, and in B2C domain about 200 products, we will generate a revenue of 100,000 for the first year. Okay, how we will find customers? It is simple. We will make a meeting, make a presentation like this, maybe give them possibility to try our product with some, I don't know, with limited possibilities, and then propose to buy a full version. And these are the children with whom we are contacting. And and coming to our team, we are 5 in our team. Aydos, Biglan, and Nuhan, they are responsible for software development. Nurbek is responsible for hardware, and me, I'm a project manager, and also I'm responsible for computer graphics and 3D modeling. Thank you for your attention. Now we want to show you a little demo. So what happens after you push the check button on the application? We made a video because we wanted to kind of save time. So it is a line follower robot. It takes so it takes the answer and put it in the appropriate place. Of course, it is not a final version. For example, we want to make cubes made of wood or something like this, which will be more attractive. And now we want to show you also the demo with a Leap Motion controller. So it is a controller which allows you to control your computer with your hands.
If you don't want hardware, you can turn it up.
Actually, sorry, the time is up, so you can do this after.
You can track all your testers. And here you can come back to start answer, and you get the answer.
Are open for questions?
So you've already started using this in the school?
Yes. Now we just brought our application to second grade students, and we are testing that actually they are really fascinated by this. It is really interesting, and when I asked them, will it make the studying process more interesting, they told me yes, that it will be more interesting. Also, in the future, we want to build some kind of educational kit, so that they can, by drag and drop or by making just simple algorithms, they can program our robot.
It's a cool product. I like the the robotics and the AI behind it and all that. I think it's nice. I wonder how big the market is for this, but the product itself, it's great.
Thank you. No, it is not available now because generally it is ready, but we are now working on integration it with our robot. There are some little problems. This is why we didn't upload it in the Google Play. Sorry?
You told us it can be used without the hardware, yes?
No, you cannot use it without hardware. This is the point, to integrate application and hardware so that we just can work together, but not without each other.
Thank you.